In this video, I will show you how to get shields in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Monopoly Go. Now, if we come up to the top right hand corner, press onto the three lines to open up our menu and come across to the showroom. This is where you're going to find your shields. You can see the shields icon at the bottom. If we give this a press, and as you can see, I've actually managed to acquire quite a few different shields. Now, when you first initially start Monopoly Go, you're only going to have one shield, which is this one here called the Defender, which is kind of orange one with the white border. Now, to go ahead and obtain all these different kind of shields, what you actually need to do is complete in-game events. So if we come back to the actual Monopoly Go game, you can see currently there's a couple of events. We've got this one called Ghostly Gatherings, and basically when you land on these tiles, it's going to tell you how to complete this event. You're going to get certain rewards. So for example, you can see when I collect 50 of these tokens, I'm going to receive some Monopoly money, and then what will happen is we'll move on to the next milestone, which could potentially be a shield, or it could be dice, or something like that. Now, you can also get shields from completing the daily tournament, which is over here on the right hand side. So if we give this a press, you can see at the moment it's called Cypher Crack, and there's currently 10 hours left of this tournament. Now, at the moment, there's no shields being offered in the current events, but what you want to do is keep an eye on these two things, and from time to time, there are going to be shields offered as rewards. Sometimes these are also offered in your daily quick wins. So if you come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto the wins icon just down here, what this is a daily quick wins, and basically you get 3 mini tasks that you have to complete every single day. And by completing these tasks, you're going to fill up this bar at the bottom. Again, at the time of recording, you can see in this particular weekly quick win, there's no shields available. But sometimes when you hit milestones on here, you're going to get shields as well. But you can see at the moment there's only really Monopoly Money sticker packs, dice, and emojis. Now and again, there are some in-game partner events that pop up as well, so you want to keep an eye on those because the in-game partner events allow you to obtain shields as well. Currently, there's no in-partner events running, but generally they do this normally around seasonal times, about Christmas and Halloween and Easter and things like that. So the best way to get shields in Monopoly Go is just to keep an eye on the daily tournaments and events and see if there's any available by completing the in-game tournaments and events. From time to time, different shield skins will be offered, and what you can then do is come into your showroom and simply select the shield that you want to use by selecting the shield from your showroom. So let's take this Christmas one, and you'll see an option to equip. So if we press the equip button, what it's going to do is change our shields to that particular skin. So you can see I've now changed to this Christmas Santa shield. But that is a quick overview on how to get shields in Monopoly Go. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.